This time I'm going up to a place called Skorve. I'm just walking up this very steep hill, just looking at the ground, being very tired, and suddenly I look up and I'm surprised by this beautiful view of my hometown where I grew up. Here is another viewpoint. It sure is a nice view here. So now we are going to soon get above the tree line. That's going to be great. Now I'm very tired walking up these steep hills, but oh, look at that. When you see mountains like that, that's a big motivation to keep going, to get up there and enjoy the scenery. Here you can see some information about an American plane that crashed here during World War II. There is some leftover scrap around here still. And the German plane also crashed into this mountain, both of them in 1944. And I found some nice clear water. I do consider this perfectly safe to drink. However, I still have my water filter with me, so I'll use it. And look here. Now we get a view of Marefjell. So I wanted to go to Høysen, the top, but I got very tired and dizzy and had to set up camp and make some food. So here is my tent pitched up, and over here is my kitchen. I'm heating up some water for my real turmat. So now I can just sit and wait. But you know, I forgot something very important. I forgot my coffee. How could I forget my coffee? It's 8:36 in the morning. Been watching some chess and a crumbling playing chess. This morning I woke up 4 o'clock, got hungry, and I had a little snack. And I did to go to sleep again and then woke up again, watched some chess. Now I'm going to go out. It's sunny, so it's warm now, I think. I hope. So the temperature is actually quite nice. It must be more than 10 degrees. Okay. Going over to my kitchen here. Perfect morning. I'm going to just leave my camp like this and then head over to Høysen, the highest point. Maybe I can sneak behind this rock. I guess I can write my name. or something. Difficult to see here, impossible actually, but down there is my cabin. And then we often went on skis up here and then up to Mælefjell if we were able to get so far. I think I'm going to go down here to Spådoms Newton, around there. I just need to not fall down. I found some sheep. Let's see. Hei. Bæ. Kom igjen. Kom igjen. Kom igjen. Hei. Bæ. Bæ. Oh, okay. So they were scared. Oh, that rock on the edge there does not look safe. That's going to fall soon, it looks like. Yeah, I'm not going to stand up there on that rock. In fact, I might even stop right here, because I'm scared of heights. Okay, that's good enough for me. I just need to pack my stuff and get home. Have I reduced my weight or not? No.